Hey everyone, in this video we will explore ASP.NET Core Web API, how to build powerful APIs that let apps talk to each other. I will show you how to create your first API from scratch and test it in no time. Let's get started. Let's discuss about the prerequisites for creating ASP.NET Core Web API using .NET 9. First, we need to install .NET 9 SDK from the official Microsoft website. Then we need one IDE code editor that can be Visual Studio 2022 or we can use Visual Studio Code. For in programming language, we need C# programming language and few HTTP concepts like get, post, put, delete, and JSON basics. Also, we need like Postman and Swagger for testing APIs, and NuGet for added functionality like for Swagger. So these are the prerequisites for this current video. Let's start creating a ASP.NET Core Web API project by scratch. So first of all, let's create a new project by using the Visual Studio. Okay. So now we have this create new project screen here. So from this, let's open create blank solution from here. So select this one and click next. Let's give it a name like product get product catalog and click on create button here. So now our empty solution is created here. So let's add one empty project in this one. Right click, add new project, and new project that is ASP.NET Core empty project that you can also search from here, ASP.NET Core empty project. So this is here ASP.NET Core empty, and our programming language is C#. Okay, so select this one and click on next. And also, if you want to provide any name to your project, you can provide here like we will provide here product APIs. Then click on next. Then we have here .NET framework, that is .NET 9.0. In this list we have .NET 6.0, .NET 8.0 and .NET 9.0. So we will select here .NET 9.0 and we will configure it for HTTPS, and we are not going to enable container support here as we are not doing any docker, creating any docker image. So we will not select this one, and also we are using do not use top level statements. Okay, so let's create this project. So our project is created, so our empty project is created here. So you can check this, like we have created one empty solution, then we created one product API's product project, empty project. In empty project we have launch settings.json file, then we have app settings and one program. that contains main method. Okay, so let's start adding our required parameters in these, like in main method. Like we have here builder, web application dot create builder, then we have app.builder. So press enter and let's start adding few required things like builder dot services dot add controllers. Then we need to add our swagger support. So builder dot services dot add endpoint API explorer. Then we have builder dot services dot add swagger, but it's not showing the swagger method here because we have not yet added the swagger components in this project. So let's first add the swagger in this project. So let's go to Solution Explorer, right click on the product API, then go to manage new get packages here and click on browse, then type swagger. So for swagger we have so let's type here swash. So now it's available here. So as you can see, there is swashbuckle.asp.NET Core available here. So let's install this one. Click apply, then I accept. So it is now added in the project. Let's see. In the dependencies we have packages, so this one is added. So now it's added. So close this one, close this one. Now let's add our swagger method here. Here it's now available. So we have now swagger. Then let's if app dot environment dot is development, so app dot use swagger, app dot use swagger UI. Currently we are only adding this for our development purposes. So now let's comment this line. Now let's add our app dot use http redirection. So like this is a middleware, okay, and it used for redirecting HTTP request to HTTPS. The main purpose is to enforce secure communication between clients and the server by making sure all requests use the HTTP protocol, not the HTTP. Okay, that's why we are using it here. And if we want, we can add app dot use authorization, and one most important is app dot map controllers. So adds endpoints for control actions to the IAND route builder without specifying any route. Okay, it is for the routes and map controllers. Okay, then now I think our main method is done. So let's come here. Like we have now Swagger, we have our program method, sorry, program class is now in main method. We added required components. Let's add one controller folder. In controller, let's add one controller, and for controller we will use API controller, API empty controller. Click on add. Now we have API empty, so let's name it product controller. Okay, so let's add it. Now we have one controller available here. So we have controller, we have program class. Now let's add one entity class, like our class, name it as product, and in this product let's add few properties: applicant ID, then product name, and then the description. So these are the by default provided properties. Okay, now we have in this class, so let's move to product controller. First of all, let's check whether our APIs are working now or not. HTTP public string get return hello world. Let's test it first. Okay, now it's open. So let's open it in Swagger. Okay, Swagger is opened. So let's open it and click on try it out. So and then click in execute. Let's see whether it's working or not. Yeah, it's working now. So our API and Swagger is working. Okay, the same way you can check it on the Postman, like use this Control C and open the Postman. Click here, paste your URL, click on send button, and now yeah, it's working. Hello world. Okay, let's move to Visual Studio. Stop debugging. Okay, now let's create one. Let's create a list. First of all, let's list product. then create a list of products. uh, List products dot add new product, that is id equals to 1, name, let's product 1, and description we product 1 description, this one. Then again id equals to name product 2, then description product 2 description. Okay, think semicolon should work here. Now click on return products. Okay. Now errors are gone, so let's run this project now. Yeah. Now let's open the Swagger here. Okay. Click on try it out and then click on execute. Let's see what's the result. Yeah, now in response body we have received our two products in response body, and status is okay, that is 200. So now our API is returning the products, so that we can also check in the Postman, copy the URL and paste it here. We have already the URL here, but like again we are pasting, and like so our state is 200. Okay, and now we have our first API running. Okay, so this is our API running in Postman and Swagger. So this is our first project, and in next project we will learn something new. So let's wait for the new video. Till then, thank you, have a nice day, bye. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips, tutorials and coding guides. It really helps us create more awesome content for you.